Hey guys, what's going on? This is not a Mustang video, okay? So don't fry me on this one, but we're going to show you how to change a light bulb in a 2017 Durango Citadel. Hey, you Durango owners out there, you got a blinker out, burned out, this is what you got to do. About a 20-minute job to change it. In the midst of all that, we take our K&N filter, clean it, and hang it to dry on our porch heater. Anyways, quite a simple job. So let's take a quick look at it and get you guys going. A little bit of removal of the air box and part of the inlet air, and you get access to that front headlight, which is really nice. You do a twist, pull it out. Which I got a whole supply of down here in the end, the old Napa box. Pull one from there and we're good to go. We'll put it in, reassemble everything, a 10-15 minute job. All right, we didn't have a bulb to that code, so we came to AutoZone, and they also didn't have one to that code. I searched a whole rack. There was 3 similar types of bulbs, but they did not match. So this is a Sylvania, came out of a factory, 2017 Durango Citadel, and numbers on it is 3157 NAK, and then there's a few numbers on the bottom. I don't know what those reference, to be honest with you. So I checked at the counter, they looked it up for me and said this should work. So this is a 4157 NA, or this was a 3157 NK, so I don't know why they do that, right? Just confuse the hell out of the consumer. /5702 NA. So anyway, she said it doesn't work, bring it back. These should work. They look pretty much the same. We'll get back home, get these actually installed, and I'll show you guys how to put the airbags back together, and it's the same taking it apart. Pretty simple. Like I said, 15-20 minute job. So initially, we had to pull this molding up, remove the top of the airbox. We loosened the housing here. I think that's a 1/4 inch socket. I have a correction. The socket is a 5/16, not a 1/4 inch. And then we remove the inlet, which goes here, and we'll show you how that goes on when we reassemble. Now you can see here, so that top amber bulb goes right in the top socket there. All right, here we go. This is the new bulb. We'll get her in. We're just going to put it right in the back in the socket. All right, you get it in square. You'll feel it seat in. Once it's in, you twist it to the right. So easy peasy, should work. We'll check it out, make sure we got our blinker, and then we'll get it reassembled. So this airbox inlet was really the most difficult to work with. You had to kind of manipulate it a little bit. So this inlet here goes down in the box, bottom of the box. So you got to kind of get it on an angle. And squeeze it in. It's really a goofy design, if you ask me. You got a leg coming out of the bottom, a leg going to the left. I don't know why those are there. Take up space. Okay, we're able to manipulate it. So this is got to come inside the box, basically like that. This fits right over here. As you see it, you see this little connector here. This will go inside until she sets. And then this goes back here, and that's it. We'll put our top of our air box back on, put our filter in, and we're good to go. We'll get a quick look on the passenger side. Oh, they're pretty much accessible right here. There's nothing you really have to do. There's a gray one on the bottom, and then the black one is right on top. So that's nice. You can get right to it. Just reach in there, you get a reach around. There you go. And you'll be good to go on the passenger side. So that's not too bad. So that's our little vid for today. Hope y'all liked it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And sorry I didn't have any Mustang content, but hopefully it's coming. That Calimer's coming, hopefully. So, hey guys, have a great day. Take care. And have a happy Thanksgiving.